করা কি ফরজ, জানা করলে শাস্তি বিধান আছে?
He says Allah made some ibadat, it's obligatory for us, namaz, roza, hajj, zakat. If somebody doesn't do these, then there are punishments for him. But what about Tableegh? Did Allah mention any punishment for such person who does not preach?
I think Tableegh is also very important, because Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was given the message to convey the message to others. That did not mean that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was alone responsible. Naturally, those who listened to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam were made, it was made compulsory to do Tableegh upon them. So people don't follow this, and this is very important. And I keep reminding Ahmadis that Tableegh is not a voluntary work, it is an essential work.